Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gemini video. First, you'll need to understand the platform's capabilities. Gemini offers powerful tools for transforming text into engaging visual content. Begin by outlining your video's purpose and target audience. This initial planning stage is crucial for a successful outcome. Next, gather all your necessary materials, including your script and any visual elements you wish to incorporate. Finally, navigate to the Gemini platform online to begin your project. Effective planning is the foundation of a great Gemini video. Start by clearly defining what you want your video to achieve and who you want to reach. A well-structured script is essential, guiding your narrative from introduction to conclusion. Think about the key messages you want to convey and how best to present them. Remember to collect all your supporting media, such as images, audio, and any existing video clips, to enrich your story. Now it's time to bring your vision to life using Gemini's intuitive interface. Simply input your prepared script into the text-to-video generator. You can then choose from a variety of voiceovers and visual styles to match your video's tone and message. Experiment with different options to find the perfect combination. Once the initial video is generated, take time to review and refine it, ensuring a smooth and impactful presentation. With your Gemini video complete, the final steps involve exporting and sharing your creation. Choose a high-quality format for export to ensure your audience experiences the best possible visuals and audio. Then, share your compelling video across your preferred social media channels to maximize its reach and engagement. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. We hope this guide helps you create amazing content with Gemini.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.